Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix night vision images so dark or too blurry. The first thing you have to do is to open the Xiaomi Home application. Now once here, open your preview. Tap these three dots over here, and now you need to tap camera settings, night vision settings, and now make sure that this is switched to always on, not switch automatically or off. Once it's done, everything should be fine. Apart from that, you need to make sure that here you do have clean lens. Take yourself a microfiber cloth and clean this lens over here. Now everything should be fine. If it still isn't, you still do have some errors, you need to contact the support because your device is broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.